They smell flowers. Yeah.
Blackness Castle, a ship that never sailed. This impressive 15th century fortress, built by the Crichton family, is well known as the Ivanhoe and Outlander film location. Today, you are joining me on a visit of the largest intact castle that guarded Firth fort. Since the castle restoration, it has been open to the public as a historic monument. The building of the castle stands empty, but it's pretty easy to imagine how castle looks in his brighter era. After a super windy experience, my walk actually just began, following John Muir way to Queensferry and Fort Bridges, passing Hopetoun house and their outstanding natural beauty, an estate full of deers and cheeky lambs.
They smell flowers. Yeah.
Lady walking down the hill with a bucket of flowers, chased by hungry lambs. Just a typical day in Scotland. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and if I earn your subscription today, please subscribe.